What's going on YouTube? This is yours truly, a Dre the Plug, coming at you live with some more technical heat. I'm gonna just jump right back into my solo videos. I got plenty of people that keep hitting me up saying, when are you gonna get back into, doing the electronic reviews? I got companies, sponsorships that I just been putting on hold because of all of the interviews. They're like, when are you gonna get right back into the lab and, review some of our products? So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna just go back to doing my normal solo videos. Definitely go check out all the interviews that I pretty much dropped of a lot of other engineers from all across the country. But I'm about to get right back into it. I'm gonna get right back into this technical heat. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button below. Make sure y'all hit that bell below so y'all can stay notified every single time I drop new technical heat. Besides that, let's get into it, man. I'll roll the clip. All right, so let's jump into another one of my sponsorship videos. So in this one specifically, I'm gonna go over this electrical lunchbox. I actually never seen one of these in person. It's supposed to replace the fact that if you don't have a microwave near you, or even if you're going on a road trip where you're gonna be in your car for a long time, and you have food that you wanna heat up, you can literally heat it up in your car with this lunchbox. So we're really gonna get into it. We're gonna put it to the test. Let's get into some of this new technical heat. Before we just dive into it, I want to just show you guys the box, show you guys exactly what's going on. Got the how to use right there. So yeah, the lunch kit also comes with a case. This is basically how it looks on the outside. This is the top view. Right here is pretty much where you store your utensils. Right there. Also comes with, I just took it out so it didn't make noise for the video. Then also, if you want the steam to come out or you don't want it to be too hot, all you do is just press this. And as you guys can see, it has holes in there. All of the steam will come out so it don't get too hot. Or if you want to clean it, literally just pull it off. If you want to put it back, it's that simple. So jumping into the utensils, this is the fork and this is the spoon. It also comes with this small container. So yeah, this is your plug. As you can see right here, you see the symbol at the top, the little sticker. It actually lets you have the option of picking two different voltages of once you plug it up to the lunch kit. You have the option to plug it up to 12 volts, or you can plug it up to 110 volts. It all depends on what you want to do and how hot you want this thing to get cooked up. Notice that you have 3 pins, so you can only use 2 at a time. So when you use your 12 volt, that's basically when you're inside of a vehicle. And then when you use your 110, that's when you actually plug it up to a wall. So you have 12 volts for when you're inside of your vehicle and you want to heat something up inside of your car. And then you have the 110 for whenever you're around the socket. So yeah, once you take the lid off, you can see that in the inside, it's literally just a hard metal material. So also, if you want to clean it, you can literally just pull it right on out, clean it, and then you can just slide it right back in. So I have my heated lunch kit, I have my teriyaki. I'm gonna put it to the test and hook it up to the wall and just let it cook. All right, so opening the lunch kit. As you can see the condensation on it, nice and steamy. It's pretty hot. As you can clearly see, the lunch kit is definitely ready to go now. It's all set. Food is nice and warm. You can feel the steam coming off of the rice, the chicken. And that concludes this video. Definitely let me know what you guys think about it. Is this something that you will pick up? Have you ever heard of a heated lunch kit before? Definitely let me know what you guys think. It's really still hot all around the bottom of it too. Like, it's literally steaming. It's like it's hot, super hot, but not to the point to where I'll say it'll burn the food, but it definitely gets to the point of getting the food to at least be steamed. That's what's important. All right, yeah, so something else I wanted to just throw out there. So after using it, I realized it actually got way more hotter than what I expected. Like, I had to literally wait till my food cooled down until I could actually start eating it. But on the surface level, when I first put my hand over the top, it was definitely hot. But then once I got to like the bottom portion and then start stirring the food up, it was definitely way too hot to eat. So I just wanted to throw that out there also. This video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really do help my channel when it comes down to the YouTube algorithm. If you guys have any questions regarding anything, just hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on the gram at DreDaPlug123. And then also go check out my other YouTube channel. This is actually my second channel. My first one was called Andre ClassicCuts. I basically go in and give tutorials about all types of different haircuts. I actually show people how to do different type of things with the clippers that has never been done, and I pretty much go into detail as to why certain things happen. So definitely go check out that channel. Besides that, be on the lookout for my next content that's dropping. Be on the lookout for it because it's coming real soon. And I'm out.